When I tell y'all this has been the longest week of my life, I mean, it has been a long week. I worked so hard. I mean, like a man. I worked like I was a freaking man. I was mentally and physically worked out, not stressed, because I've learned not to do that. God will always handle my stuff and help make a way. This week was moving week for me and the kids. Y'all don't know, but we were in a small apartment for a year. We even turned a large closet into a room. And when I tell you I'm so happy and excited to move, I am happy and excited. Me and my kids did it all alone. Besides my dad and brother taking the mattress and the couches out, me and the babies did it all. I was shocked to see the strength and determination in my children. They all put their foot forward, their best foot forward, and we spent about 5 to 6 hours moving over the last 4 days. Our stuff to another unit. I mean, up and down the stairs. We were throwing stuff over the balcony, looking ghetto as can be, honey, but we was getting the job done. I still managed to work at the spa 5 hours a day and do my cleaning business where I clean 2 commercial buildings. It takes me about 3 hours to clean the stores. Now we have all our stuff in the new place, and we finally sat down to relax and chat and laugh before bed. I'm glad to provide for my kids, and I thank God for this life I'm living. And thank you all for watching and listening. But don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. Okay, the new journey begins. Well, it's not a new journey, but the journey is still continuing. Let's get it.